What if the most guarded secret in human history was just leaked by the very people who held the highest security clearances? Over the past few months, the global conversation has shifted forever. It wasn't a sci-fi movie, and it wasn't a fringe conspiracy theory. Former world leaders and high-ranking officials dropped a bombshell with 3 simple, terrifying words. They are real. But while the world reacted with shock, defense insiders and intelligence contractors sounded the alarm, claiming that highly classified information had just been compromised. Today on Everything But Little Little, we declassify the friction between public disclosure and state secrets, and the reality they can no longer hide. Welcome to the dawn of disclosure. The spark was ignited during a series of recent, highly publicized interviews. Former heads of state, individuals known for their incredibly calculated diplomacy, were directly asked about the UAP phenomenon, Unidentified Aerial Phenomena. Instead of the usual chuckles or complete dismissal we've seen for decades, the tone was completely different. They confirmed on record that there are objects in our atmosphere that defy every known law of physics. They admitted that during their time in power, they actively sought answers about specialized, deep black recovery programs. The statement, "They are real," wasn't just a personal opinion. It was a stunning confirmation of data gathered by top military intelligence branches. Within hours, the internet exploded. From Tokyo to New York, the public realized that the people at the very top of the global pyramid were no longer speaking in riddles or denying the evidence. But we have to ask, was this a careless slip of the tongue, or the very first stage of a highly coordinated, soft disclosure campaign designed to prepare us for the inevitable? The response from the intelligence community was immediate, fierce, and completely unexpected. Instead of stepping up to the podium to call these claims a hoax, high-level defense contractors and national security experts criticized the disclosure itself. Harsh warnings were issued, stating that discussing these matters openly violated national security protocols and exposed top-secret operations. This is the crucial turning point for Everything But Little viewers to understand. Logically speaking, you cannot violate a state secret if the subject of that secret doesn't actually exist. By angrily attacking the leak and demanding silence, the defense sector inadvertently validated the substance of the secret itself. We are now witnessing a very rare, historical moment where insiders are no longer arguing over whether these craft are here. Instead, they are arguing over who exactly has the right to tell the public the truth. The state secret isn't just a physical craft locked in a hangar. It's a decades-long, multi-trillion-dollar cover-up that is finally collapsing under its own massive weight. Let's look at the hard, technical data driving this unprecedented panic among officials. We are no longer talking about blurry lights in the night sky or swamp gas. We are discussing advanced transmedium crafts. These are objects that seamlessly transition from the vacuum of space to the deep ocean at speeds exceeding Mach 20, all without producing a sonic boom or leaving a heat signature. These tic-tac and gimbal-shaped objects show no visible signs of propulsion, absolutely no wings, and no exhaust plumes. Military sensors, from massive naval strike groups to the latest orbital satellite arrays, have tracked these entities performing impossible maneuvers. We are talking about right-angle turns at hypersonic speeds that would instantly crush any human pilot under the extreme G-force. As Everything But Little investigates deeper, the real, terrifying secret lies in material recovery. We are talking about non-terrestrial alloys and metamaterials that remain perfectly stable at extreme temperatures. This is the ultimate classified program, reverse engineering of off-world technology. So, the ultimate question remains, why is the veil of secrecy being lifted right now? The truth is, information is leaking much faster than the authorities can plug the holes. With deep space telescopes detecting atmospheric anomalies on distant exoplanets, and civilian sensor networks growing more advanced every single day, the government's monopoly on truth is officially over. Analysts here at EverythingButLittleLittle suggest we are being heavily conditioned. A sudden, undeniable reveal of non-human intelligence could cause global economic and social instability. But a slow, steady leak through podcasts, declassified documents, and brave whistleblowers the global public to slowly adapt. We are being meticulously prepared for a new reality. A reality where humanity is no longer the only advanced intelligence sitting at the cosmic table. The current friction in the media is just a symptom of a much larger, unstoppable transition. As we stand on the absolute edge of this terrifying, yet exciting new frontier, one thing is absolutely certain. Our universe just got a lot smaller and infinitely more complex. Whether you view these recent high-level confessions as a long overdue service to humanity, or the intelligence warnings as a necessary precaution to prevent panic, the conclusion remains exactly the same. The secret is out. We are not alone, and looking at the historical evidence, we never were. The fundamental question for humanity is no longer, are they here? But rather, how will this change our future? The stars are no longer silent, and the world is finally listening. Thank you for joining this deep dive on Everything But Little Little. To stay at the forefront of the greatest discovery in human history, make sure to subscribe and join our global community. The truth is no longer hidden. It's being told, one secret at a time. See you in the next video.